So over here you can see that I have this planner opened up right here, and the title bar right here is right now white, as you can see right here. If you want to go ahead and change it to blue, then you can go ahead and change around the theme. So for that, you can simply go around over here onto the settings, and then over here you can see the theme. You can simply select blue, and then you get the blue version right here, just like this. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and change the language of planner if you want to. So you can go around over here, and then it actually goes ahead and then from over here, you'll get this particular page, which allows you to go ahead and change out your display language. As you can see right here, change out the preferred language and even the time zone if you want to, right there, just like that. So you want to go ahead and change around the time right here, then that is simply what you have. You can also go ahead and change the time zone as you want as well. Let's say, for example, like this, and select, and then that will be updated right here. And that will be updated from your Microsoft account itself. And then if I were to go around over here back onto Planner right here, so let me just go around over here and explore all my apps. And then from over here, you can simply go around over here back onto Planner, or you can use the Planner link as well. So once you go ahead and do that, this is what you get back to right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and then change out the theme, language, and even time zone as you want inside of Microsoft Planner. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.